If you have a pet family or interact with pets in your community, you've wondered what they're trying to tell you. How often do you get frustrated with your pet for something they did or because you don't know what they want? Since people and pets communicate primarily with body language, how can you understand your pet? With that in mind, we created the FBI Feelings, Behavior, and Intentions investigation method for you. With this method, we challenge you to reflect on your feelings and what you think your pet is feeling. Be conscious of your behavior and observe how your pet reacts. Reflect on your intentions. Would you like to change the situation or behavior, and why? Are you curious? Let's get started. Feelings. How do I feel about this situation/behavior? How do I think my pet feels? Try looking at a situation and your pet as if it were for the first time, without the filter of judgment and past experiences. Do you think differently? Behavior. How are my feelings affecting my behavior? How is my pet behaving? The behavior is situational. It happens in a specific moment and place. It does not define the individual, you, or your pet. As long as there's room to choose, there's always room for change and improvement. Intentions. What is my intention? What do I want to change and why? Intentions guide you towards becoming the person you want to be and living the life you want. They are connected to purpose and guide you towards achieving your goals. The FBI investigation method is a 6-steps method to help you understand your pet's body posture, context, personality, and your role in their behavior. Get a free sample of the What Is My Pet Telling Me ebook and experience its value with your first 2 clues. Link down below.